Good.
Alrighty. So we're qualifying homeowners for the latest state incentives on solar, like how you can lower down your electric bill up to 30 to 40%. So one of our solar specialist guy, he's working in your area right now. If you have time in the next few days, he can visit you and share the idea of solar. So what's a possible day for you next week? Like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and maybe Saturday?
I think I'll be free. Does that work for you?
Sorry, what is it possible? What day, you're breaking up. What day suits for you?
What time?
Like morning, afternoon, or evening. Morning 10, afternoon 2, or evening 6. What time suits for you?
I get back from work.
Sorry, did you say morning?
Right, he'll come here?
Alrighty, so we can visit you on Thursday, the 7th of, November, morning, 10 o'clock. And before visiting, we can give you a call, like, to just make sure you're still available at your place. So the best number to reach you back will be the same number, or do you have another alternate number?
The number is 610-560-1...
Sorry?
Right. 49.
Okay. And what's your name? How you pronounce your first name?
Need me to spell it?
Yeah, how you spell it?
C-O-U-G-H. Pronounced. I think there's a bird in your office.
You have been kicked from this conference.
Oh.